Action. We're on the YouTubes. Is that how you say it?
Yeah. YouTube though, YouTube.
Not the YouTubes?
No.
Just YouTube?
Yeah.
Hi. Hello. I'm Miranda.
I'm Kyle.
And this is our first YouTube. I own an embroidery shop in my home, and we're gonna bring y'all along with us. My goal for this channel is to tips, tricks, embroidery life, tutorials. I'll try to help you as much as I can. Y'all can help me, and we can just have some fun. So today we have all these orders, and they're all for hats. So we are going to spend the next 3 hours and see how many hats we can get done. I have two Melco machines. I have a Melco Bravo. I have a Melco EMT16X. I have converted both of those into my hat hoops, and we are going to knock some hats out. Let's go. Okay.
Those are all full.
All of those boxes are full.
Yep.
So I've got a hot second before the machines stop. I'm going to show you how I hoop this hat. Okay, so if you're going to start working on hats, embroidering hats, a couple things you're going to need. I like the foam hats, and I like these structured tan and colored hats. You can probably see I have several behind me. These I get from S&S Activewear. The brand is Value Cap. These are great for embroidery. They do not need stabilizer because they are the structured hat. These are the foam auto brand hats. They come from joesusa.com. They have several colors to choose from. I love these as well. These do require stabilizer. So that's another thing you're gonna need is a good hat stabilizer. I do have some linked in my Amazon. It's just a tearaway stabilizer. You can buy it pre-cut, you can buy it by the roll, whatever you want. Another thing is a tape measure. This is just a fabric tape measure I picked up from Walmart. It's nothing expensive, just a cheap. You just need a little ruler is all you need. Most hats are 7 inches across, and so what you use this for is to find the center of your hat once you get it on the machine. So I use this with every single hat that I make. Also, if you're shipping your hats out, you need a good box. This is an 8x8x4. I get these from Amazon. I do have them in my Amazon link if you want to grab you some. There's all different kinds of colors. Yeah, so these are perfect. Just the right size for hats. All right, you're gonna take the stuffing out of the inside of your hat. You're gonna flip out this bill, this little fabric sweatband, whatever you call it, and you're gonna put it on. Make sure you unsnap the back as well. You're gonna put this on here. Now for these structured hats, you don't need stabilizer, but for the foam hats, you do. My hat hoops have these teeth on here and this little groove. That is where this part of the hat is going to sit. And when you're hooping, it's got a red line that's the center of your hoop. Do not line up the center of your hat with that line. Scoot it over just a little bit, because when you bring the strap over, it's going to move your hat. So I slide it over just off center a little bit, and then you stick your teeth right in the seam of that hat, and make sure you're holding your hat in that groove the whole time. And then right here you can see this latch. That's where that little lever is going to go, and then you pop that down and your hat is hooped. Now this was a foam hat, so I'm going to use stabilizer. And you can fold it just so it kind of stays on there. Pull the inside of your band out and set it down on there. Now you can see the center line is lined up with there. I'm going to turn it just slightly. That way, when I bring the strap over, it's going to move it, and then it should center it back up. Latch it, and your hat is hooped. So you're going to put your hat on the machine, lock it into place. All the hats are typically seam to seam 7 inches. So you're gonna use your tape measure. Line it up with your seams and see it sits right at 7 inches. Right there. So with my laser, I'm going to find 3.5. And then I'm just going to go a smidge past that, because my laser is just a little bit off. So I'm literally going to go the notch before 3.5. And that's going to be the center of my hat. And then you can trace it. We look good. We're going to go. We're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 hats done in 2 hours. So not too shabby of a night. I still have some to do tomorrow. That's for tomorrow. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. So that's it for tonight. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you later.